Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data. Copy critical documents and a current system image to an external drive or cloud so you can restore if needed. Once done, create a Windows 10 bootable USB using the media creation tool on another PC. Use an 8 GB or larger stick. Make sure you have your Microsoft account or product key recorded. These steps let you perform repairs safely and give you a recovery path if in-place fixes fail. You now run automated and file repair tools to fix common issues. Boot from the USB, select Repair Your Computer, then try Startup Repair. This fixes bootloader and critical startup files automatically. If problems persist, use System Restore to revert to a recent restore point. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc/scano, followed by dism/online/cleanup image. You finish by restoring system stability and handling edge cases. If file repairs fixed corruption but issues persist, perform an in-place upgrade repair from the bootable USB to refresh system files without losing apps. Make sure to check Device Manager for driver conflicts and uninstall or update problematic drivers. If nothing resolves the fault, back up and perform a clean install. Troubleshooting tip. If installation fails, test RAM and disk health with Memtest86 and CHKDSK. Failing hardware often mimics OS corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.